All right, four West Bengal seats, Murshidabad, Jangipur, Uttar and Dakshin Maldaha are going to polls in phase 3 of India's general elections on 7th of May. At least 2 million voters in this region depend on the bidi or the hand-rolled cigarettes industry for their livelihood. Now, the industry is on decline due to several reasons ranging from high taxes to increased health consciousness. The workers' woes is a big electoral issue in these constituencies. Gautam Roy gets us more from Jangipur.
In a beedi factory in Aurangabad, men are hard at work. They do it all, from sorting to roasting and packaging beedis into bundles and packets, for a stagnant monthly pay of around $80 US. They say they have some social security, but it's only on paper.
हर महीने ESI का रुपया कटता है, लेकिन हमको कोई उसका सुविधा नहीं मिलता है. कोई कार्ड नहीं, कोई चिकित्सा का कोई व्यवस्था नहीं.
Beedis or hand-rolled cigarettes form a major part of the economy of this region around Jangipur constituency, which is going to polls in the third phase of West Bengal on the 7th of May. It employs over 2 million workers, and both the workers and the industry itself have a range of issues in the election season, from low wages to high taxes, and they're becoming a major concern for all political parties in this phase. In villages all around Jangipur, women do nearly 80% of the rolling work in an unorganized work-from-home fashion for local contractors. They get a little over $2 US for rolling 1,000 beedis. Most of them can only do 600 to 800 a day and work only a few days a week. After the GST regime was implemented, the beedi industry came under the 28% tax bracket. Its workers also develop health issues, even cancer, due to close proximity with tobacco for years. Rivals blame the TNC-ruled West Bengal government for the sorry state of affairs.
कोई बीड़ी श्रमिक का जो नजर मजूरी नहीं मिला, बीड़ी श्रमिक को सबको पाका मकान होना चाहिए. ये केंद्र का आइन में है, लेकिन ये मिल रहा है जो बीड़ी का साथ जो कोई युक्त नहीं है, उसको मिल रहा है. जो किंग साइज सिगरेट खा रहा है, उसको घर मिल रहा है.
Trinamool Congress's Jangipur candidate and sitting MP Khalilur Rahman is himself a beedi baron. He says he'll address beedi workers and industries issues after the elections.
इलेक्शन के बाद हमारा कोशिश रहेगा कि यूनियन के साथ मालिक एसोसिएशन को बैठा के मजदूरी को सेटल कराना. और जो एग्रीड है वही होगा, वो मजदूर को प्रॉपर मिल रहा है या नहीं मिल रहा है, और ट्रेड यूनियन को देखना चाहिए.
Beedi is also called the poor man's cigarette, and yet livelihoods of millions depend on it. It's an industry in decline, and in poll season is looking for support from elected representatives. In Jangipur, West Bengal, with camera person Uttam Singh, Gautam Roy, DD India.